You'll never believe where I am. We're flying down to launch Mercedes-Benz Places Miami with Mercedes-Benz flying in from Germany. And then we get back on the jet, go back to New York, and grow.
We'll have all the amenities for the residences. You're gonna have gym, you're gonna have the F1 simulator, a kid's room, a cinema room, all that jazz.
Oh, look at this car! YouTube, we just launched the craziest, we're in Miami right now, it's the single largest, you know what? I can't even explain this without taking you back. Welcome to a new vlog. All right, so now we're in the airport in Dubai. On the way to Frankfurt. We go play with some Mercedes. It's going to be good. Go on, run! They're not gonna make it.
When's Serhant getting its own power plant?
Yeah, Susie's working on it. Jeez.
Raise your hands, touch the stars in this electrifying show. Every heart in this moment knows.
What a wild change in atmospheric pressure, you know? All right, so we are selling Mercedes-Benz residences in Miami. And so on the way back from Dubai, we went up to the left, landed in Frankfurt, took an Autobahn at 120 miles an hour south, and are here in Stuttgart, which is where the car was invented, the automobile. 1886, Carl Benz invented the first automobile. And so in Stuttgart, you have that. You also have Mercedes-Benz headquarters, you have Porsche headquarters, not far from here is BMW headquarters. This is where it all started. So we just landed and we have time to go to the museum, and then we have a full couple days of pure Mercedes-Benz craziness. Pretty insane. Here we go. This is the original patent. January 29th, 1886, Carl Benz. Patent 37435 for what he called a motorized vehicle. A Kleiner gas motor.
If you were to rename the automobile, what would it be called?
A car. Yeah. This is crazy. Exciting.
It is, huh?
No, we've never been here. I mean, you guys have done this before. Yeah. So I appreciate you coming on the tour.
I'll show you all the good stuff here, Ryan.
Yeah, show me the good stuff. It's a really big bus that this went on. One of 21.
Everybody is ready?
Oh, sorry.
Before starting, I'd like you to take a safety vest. Please follow me.
Safety vest. That's awesome. Okay, so we are here in Stuttgart, Germany at the factory. 35,000 people work here. We're here doing a Mercedes-Benz immersion tour because we're selling Mercedes-Benz Places Miami. The Mercedes-Benz corporate team has been super cool, super helpful. Here with Rafael, lead sales, here with Susie Glass, everybody, and we're about to go on a tour. Factories, competing, Maybachs, E-Class, S-Class, everything, but we're not allowed to bring you. Not allowed to,
I can't come?
no.
But, okay.
Yeah, you should leave now.
2 hours later.
We are the place where our exclusive customers from all over the world come to get assistance in configuration. When you touch the surface, it's such a nice touch with of these brand new Magnum colors.
Well, clearly the bullets went through.
Well, this is a reflected bullet. That's why the.
Oh my.
And this is crazy, isn't it?
That is a bit. Oh, so it didn't go through.
So even when you touch the window from inside, you won't feel any scratch or demolition because the thickness of the glass is this here.
We need this.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
And the complete windshield, the back glass, and also the side glasses are made of acrylic
You
glass.
make these on site at that other.
We built the S-Class bulletproof in Sindelfingen here in the manufacturing. Yeah.
Michael's cars are all bulletproof. I need at least. Some brokers just can't handle. We are at the Manufaktur factory where you can customize all of the interiors and the exterior down to literally any detail you want. From all the stitching and the pillows, the comfort, the level of cushioning. To me, world class means being detail-oriented, forward-thinking, constantly pushing boundaries. It's the formula that defines Mercedes-Benz and Serhant. Walking through their factory in Stuttgart was nothing short of inspiring. I mean, the precision, the passion, the innovation behind every single detail reaffirmed why Mercedes-Benz is the epitome of luxury. And now I'm bringing that same energy and focus back to Miami, where we're ready to showcase and sell the stunning residences at Mercedes-Benz Places Miami. We got one? Live one? Nice. Tower 1, Tower 2? Tower 2. Tower 2? Yep. First one. First one. The party doesn't even start for 26 minutes. No, we already started them. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Let's go. Let's go.
You just gotta say, all right?
Yeah, one. Oh, look at this car.